So guys, see, this is Windows 11 and I don't have the this PC icon on my desktop. So let's see how to bring it here on my desktop. So to do it, first of all you have to click on the right side of the mouse and then click on personalize, and then you have to click on themes and then desktop icon settings, and after that we have to click on this box, this computer. You can see here we have to click here and then apply and okay. I will close this. Now see, this is what this icon has came to my desktop. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.